Hello, my name is Francisco Blancuset, and I am a graduate student in the Computer Science and Engineering Department at the University of South Florida, and the winner of the 2008 White Paper Challenge. My research work at the University of South Florida includes investigating new mechanisms, methods, and protocols that can be introduced into the network with the purpose of reducing its energy consumption, but without negatively affecting other parts of the network. Today, the energy consumption of Ethernet networks is not proportional to their usage. The difference in energy consumption of a highly utilized network versus one that is being lightly utilized is very minimal. In cases where networks are being lightly utilized, it is safe to say that tons of energy is being wasted. Millions of dollars could be saved if Ethernet networks consumed energy that is proportional to their utilization. My winning white paper, Pause Power Cycle, a new backwards compatible method to reduce the energy use of Ethernet switches, proposes a new method to reduce the energy consumption of Ethernet switches. A major contribution of the paper is that it shows that an existing protocol, 802.3 pause flow control, can be used to achieve energy savings in Ethernet devices. A key characteristic of the method proposed is that it is backwards compatible with existing Ethernet devices. The University of South Florida was one of the first universities to join the Ethernet Alliance University program. My graduate advisor, Dr. Ken Christensen, became aware of the White Paper Challenge and encouraged me to submit my paper. I decided to submit my paper because it was the best opportunity to connect with and present my work to professionals outside academia, not to mention the chance to win $3,000 and a trip to Las Vegas. Winning the White Paper Challenge was absolutely one of the best experiences I've had as a student. The Ethernet Alliance flew Dr. Christensen and me to Las Vegas for Interop 2008 so I could showcase my paper in the Ethernet Alliance booth. As the White Paper Challenge winner, I won $3,000 for myself and $3,000 for the University of South Florida. Interop was definitely the perfect place to interact, discuss, and exchange ideas with other professionals in my field. One of the best surprises of my experience at Interop 2008 was all of the press accolades that my paper received. I was given the opportunity to participate in a video interview with an editor from TechTarget on the show floor, as well as an on-site interview with EE Times. The Ethernet Alliance also helped get mentions of my paper in Network World and Enterprise Networking Planet. Additionally, Brad Booth, chair of the board of the Ethernet Alliance, conducted a video interview with NetEvents TV where he showcased my paper. The Ethernet Alliance University Program White Paper Challenge was a tremendously valuable experience for me. Very few students have the opportunity to present their research in such a public forum, with exposure to top-tier companies, along with the possibility of those companies adopting academic research for use in product development. The White Paper Challenge provides the perfect forum for university students to showcase their research, investigating new ideas that can be applied in a real-world setting. At Interop Las Vegas 2008, I was able to network with many of the most well-known industry leaders. Those connections will be invaluable to me when I complete my graduate degree and enter the job market. Universities across the world are home to the next generation of engineering and science professionals like myself, who in the next several years will be joining the ranks of today's industry leaders developing tomorrow's Ethernet technologies. For students, it is crucial to begin networking now with industry professionals as they prepare to enter the job market. I am extremely grateful to the Ethernet Alliance for this experience and would like to recommend that any interested universities join the Ethernet Alliance University program today. For students whose university is not a member, I encourage you to speak with your university administration or faculty about joining this free program. The Ethernet Alliance University program. Are you in?